Hello, and welcome to part Escape the World Parkour Death Run thing. So this time we have Landon here. Uh, I just want to say, uh, he really likes death runs, and I didn't invite him to the first one, and he told me that about it, and I was like, okay, I'm doing it again with you, like part two. So yeah, so he's gonna be a little bit farther back. Landon, do you want me to just stand still so you can get up to me, or okay? So he just said he's gonna catch up to me, and yeah, and we'll run through it. He is extremely good at these. Uh, he does probably around at least how many a week, Lennon? Okay, we'll say like three a day. Probably not that much, but he does play a lot of these. He plays. He said he can't count how much he plays of these in a week, so that's fine. He is the undisputed death run. Yeah. Oh, oh, you can't jump over that. Okay, that stinks. Oh, I just walked into it off the spot. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, so Landon just told me about, we're going to talk about how Snom was invented, all right? Step one, it started with us chilling and just talking in my room, all right? Step two, we found Snom Pokemon cards. Step three, we signed our names on them in red crayon. And step four, Snom. That's all. And then now we have our little siblings joining it and everything, and now we've made the YouTube channel for map making and stuff. Because it's something that almost all of us enjoy, except for one person who is Dom. I actually don't think I put him in the description yet. I'm gonna have to do that right now. But yeah, that's cool. Oh, dang it. Hey, Lennon. I'm gonna tell you something really quickly. You might want to check out the first part of this. You'll see. That's a good point. All right, so I'm sorry if I keep going like silent and then saying random stuff. I'm actually talking to Landon in the background. We were in a Discord call. I think I said this earlier. We don't have the premium screen recorder thing, so it doesn't actually record game audio or computer audio in any way. So that means that you can't hear him. I'm not insane. At least I don't think I am yet. Okay, let me rephrase that. I'm not 100% insane yet. Probably only like 95%. All right. So yeah. That's a good point. That's a good point. So Lennon just said, "This is not what makes me insane." Oh, jeez. I am insane, just not in this way. I mean, what? No, I didn't say that. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I'm gonna tell them what you said. So he just said that he made the mistake of staying with me, so you better run and unsubscribe. How dare he? No, I'm kidding. He didn't say that. Unsubscribe. I know. He just said I did not say unsubscribe. That would be terrible. Please subscribe, by the way, and hit the like button. Yay! I don't honestly care that much about the like button. I don't think that really does anything. No, that's too mean, Landon. All right, okay. He just said that if you don't subscribe, we'll take a cookie from your mom's cookie jar. All right, that's too far. But I would like it. What? No, don't blame it on me, Landon. Oh, okay. He said blame it on the unsubscribers. That makes sense, right? No, it doesn't. Okay, he said whoever subscribes will get a cookie. But I just want to say, honorable mention, cookies are limited to 0. We have a limited amount of cookies, so if you don't get a cookie, blame Landon. It's his fault. Ah. Okay, yeah. So he just said that something mom's cookie jar bread. All right? I know it sounds weird. You did say bread. It lagged out and it sounded like you said bread. All right. It really did. I sound insane talking to him. I'm sorry if I sound insane. Again, this is not the best screen recorder ever. I might actually look into a new one. Because it also said there's no watermark, but then I looked at the video and there's a watermark in the corner, which I don't care about that much, but like whatever. Yeah, these are all gonna be kind of laggy, so sorry about it. I'm gonna look into a new screen recorder for like 2 minutes and then decide that it's too much work. I mean, no, I'll find a new screen recorder. So yeah, sorry if the video is kind of laggy, but yeah, these levels are starting to get repetitive once you get farther in. It's fun, but like starting to get repetitive because a lot of it's just jumping over or onto blocks and stuff and dodging red. That's all it is. What? Wait, yeah. Part one was just me running through this and kind of just like, talking and everything about, Snom and everything. And then one other thing, which was I talked a little bit about you, all right? And I want you to watch the video. I think it'll make you happy. Mhm. Ah, I already told them about that. So he just said that he does this thing called Star Maker, which by the way, go check out the description of one of our videos. I don't know which one. We only have like 3. This is gonna be our 4th. So check it out. It's this thing called Star Maker. Again, if you want to learn how to sing, go check it out. It's cool. He's cool. I'm in one of the videos. I'm cool. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so he just told me that on one of the videos, which by the way, we did, I think, a Hamilton song, and what else did we do? Like, what did we do together? Yeah, so he did For Forever in Our House. He did a Hamilton song with us where we absolutely failed. He did good. We failed. Me and my little brother. Which, by the way, he's gonna pop up in a second and talk because he wanted to. So, Aiden, get over here. Okay, so he likes yelling. Yes. So, headphone warning. Yeah. Hi. He's a very loud person. Yeah. So, uh, Caleb's actually wrong about the how Snom started. It was, we went to one of our friend's house. He gave me a bunch of Snom Pokemon cards. I put them on Caleb's desk, and then Caleb and his friends were in his room joking around, and they wanted to make a little group, and so they named it Snom because that's in blood. It was red crayon. Yeah. Yes. Come on, Aiden, we gotta keep it child friendly. Slap on a Snom. And so there's also a group called Junior Snobs that I'm in. It's all the little sisters and brothers of the Snom people. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna, like Lennon just said, which you didn't hear, but oh, hi Grayson. We're recording right now. So this is Grayson. He is Snowway. He is the 3rd council member. You won't be able to hear him because cheap screen recorder thing. By cheap I mean free. But I'm just gonna clarify. He literally just repeated exactly what I said, and the juniors. What? Oh, he says he doesn't want to be on YouTube, but whatever. He's still here. He's just like, you can't hear him, you can't see him. Long from Pennsylvania. I mean, what? But yeah. So he's here. He doesn't really want to do anything. You're gonna help us showcase some of them though. All right? Deal? You'll just play the maps with us. Okay, so he just agreed. Okay. So let me explain what Grayson just said. Is he kind of just he okay, so let me explain what they were just talking about. Because I think you could see them talking. I just don't think you could tell what they said. But they're talking about how we're hopefully going to do some vlogging in the future and how Grayson will help a little bit with the YouTube channel. Because, yeah, why not? And then, so yeah. So we have, how many people in this mob group? Like 5? Uh, 4 or 5. Somewhere around there. And we really just like chilling and hanging out. And we just thought this would be a fun idea. Oh, Grayson just leveled up in the Discord chat. Good for you. Yeah, so Lennon came up with the whole idea for the YouTube channel, and here we are. How? Okay, so we're back. Sorry for the little cut there. We are going to work on finishing this maze, which, by the way, I keep going in a circle, and it's annoying. I'm terrible at mazes. Oh, this was the exit. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. Well, whatever. Oh, jeez. Oh, and then one more thing about Landon. He has another YouTube channel. I said this in another video. I'm gonna keep repeating this, all right? Because it was only like probably 2 or 3 hours ago that I said that. But he has another YouTube channel. He hasn't posted on it in forever, but it was just a little fun family thing that he did. Um, and it is called Super Family Fun Stuff. So you can go check it out. It's just like little trips that his family had done, and just super family fun stuff. Um, yes, and it has a grenade. Sorry, I'm trying to describe to Grayson what the thumbnail, or not thumbnail, what the channel looks like anyway. No, I just got out of it. You're not in the maze that I was just in though. I'm in a city. Yeah, I'm in a city and there's another maze thing. So Lennon was just asking me, because he just got to a maze too, so he was asking me where, or like, if I had just gotten out of it. But he's in another area that has a maze. Yeah, he's in a whole different biome. But he's still catching up. What'd you say? Okay. Oh, and Landon, we could do a showcase. We could do a showcase video on that with Grayson. Yay! He said he's subscribed with notifications on. Which, by the way, everyone watching this video, please. Yeah, join Grayson and the cool Snom subscribers, and we'll ship you a grenade. I mean, a cookie. Oh, I'm on the last area. I'm on the desert now. Okay, so we have 30 seconds left on this video until I have to stop recording. So, here we go. We're going to do our first ever outro. So, the outro is literally what I'm planning is literally just going to be. Oh, by the way, editing is premium, so there's going to be no music. Outros is literally just going to be me saying snob out, basically. All right? I'm literally just going to run through it as fast as I can and say snob out. You ready? 3, 2, 1, snob out. I'll see you later.